Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be going over how you can create Outlook groups in Outlook. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comment down below when this video is over. So what is an Outlook group exactly? So think of an Outlook group as a mass email you want to send to people as a group, and you don't want to send them individually. So I'm just going to go through a couple steps here, and we can knock this out really fast. So what you want to do is just jump into Outlook, whatever Outlook you have downloaded. For me, it's 2016. So double click on that. Outlook's going to start up here. So when you're here, you're going to click on the two people at the bottom left-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to click on New Contact Group. And here you can call the group whatever you want. For me, for an example, I'll just call it football. You can call it whatever you want, and then just hit save. You can hit save and close. If you double click on the group, you can click add members. Now from here, you can do a couple things. You can add people individually if you know their email. If you have people in your address book, you can add them that way. Or if you have people in your Outlook contacts, you can add them that way. So for this example, I'm just going to do new email contact, and I'm just going to make a contact, Matt at outlook.com for the email. I'm going to hit OK. So right now, Matt is added to the football group. Let's add another one. So we're going to add another member, do new email contact, go David at outlook.com. We'll hit OK. So now we'll close out of this. We have our members. We'll close out. We'll save our changes. So now we have our football group, and then we have the contacts that we just made. So you may already have contacts. I did not, so I made them. So now we have the football group. If you click on the envelope here, it says send email message to football. So click on that. And now the football is in bold, and you can just start typing away, test message, whatever you want to send. Now if you click this plus button to expand football, and it says if you expand this list, Outlook will replace the list with its members. You will not be able to collapse it again. So just do it if you want to make sure everyone's in the list of whatever group that you made. So I'll click OK, and now it shows David and Matt, the people that I added. It may be more, maybe less, depending on how many people you added. So hopefully that helped. This was just a quick video on how to create an Outlook group. If it did, give this video a like. If you have any questions, drop it down below. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.